I'm trying to make a video here. This camera angle is just not it. So this recipe is known as Poha. Thank you, thank you. What is Poha, you may ask? It's basically flattened rice that is steam cooked with spices and herbs. It's a great source of carbohydrates, packed with iron, rich in fiber. It's a good source of antioxidants and essential vitamins. Also, it's known to be good for diabetics or people with skin and heart problems. So it's pretty suitable. You can try it out yourself, and let's get cooking with Chef Dia. Poha actually means flattened rice. So here we're taking our flattened rice or poha and just washing it properly. This makes sure that it's not sticky at the end of it. And now I'm just crushing peanuts. Now the reason we crush those peanuts is that it's just easier to cook and it's tastier. Next, you just add a bunch of olive oil in a pan and mustard seeds, those peanuts that you crushed, curry leaves, green chili, and just stir it all in the pan on low flame to make sure that it doesn't burn. All right, really important, low flame, you guys. And excuse the really messy kitchen as well. Anyway, now you're gonna add in your vegetables. So here I just took some carrots, some peas, and other veggies. But you could also make aloo poha, and aloo means poha with potatoes. And that is also really delicious. But in this case, I just used other vegetables. So yeah, and then you just put that thing on top, the lid. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, this is a masala dabba. Now, every Indian has it in their house because we love spices and herbs. Now, I'm just adding some turmeric and chili powder in here. Now, the thing is, I'm not giving you perfect measurements because there is no perfect measurements as such. And now you're just gonna take that poha that you washed earlier on and put that into the pan as well. Now, just slow and steadily, just mix it all together. Now you'll realize that your white poha will soon turn yellow because of the turmeric, which is what you want. Now you're gonna take kari sakar. Now this is not white sugar, so this is why it's vegan. It's actually just huge cubes of natural sugar, and you're gonna crush it. This is the traditional way to crush it. And yeah, you're gonna add that into the poha as well. Now, once again, you're going to mix everything together. That's the most important part, mixing it together. You can see it's a beautiful color. Now we're adding Himalayan pink salt in it as well. I added a little bit of salt earlier on, but you could add a little more salt if you didn't. Now I'm just squeezing a lemon. This is probably my favorite part. It makes the poha so tasty, you guys. And then it's basically complete. Now I'm Hindu, so in Sanatana Hindu Dharma, in my religion, we actually offer the food to God, to Bhagwan. So it's known as bhoga or naivedyam. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm offering food in the temple. And yeah, it just makes the food have the blessings of the Lord as well, basically. And then that naivedyam you can add to your food, and now you're eating blessed food. That's the concept, basically. Traditionally, we eat with our hands, so you should do that as well. Here, I'm just tasting it and just judging my own food. Not sure why I should have gotten someone else to do that for me. But yeah, that's me signing off. And definitely give poha a try. You might just fall in love with it. And bye!